Governor Sisolak. He is now responding to President Donald Trump's comments. The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy interviewed the governor, and Vanessa now joins us live with more. Hi, Vanessa.
Hi, Brian. Governor Steve Sisolak says he believes the rallies held by President Donald Trump will cause a spike in COVID-19 cases. I was given a very short time to speak with the governor. Here's some of what he had to say.
Let's start with President Donald Trump. He called you a political hack, told his supporters to tell your governor to open up your state. Your response?
Well, I think that, I don't know where he comes up with the political hack. I thought he was talking about his golf game or something. I don't know. I don't know how I can respond to President Trump and what he said. His actions were selfish, reckless, irresponsible. He jeopardized the health and safety of every person that lives in the state of Nevada. And there's just no excuse for what he did. I mean, he knew what the rules were. Those rules were developed in coordination with the White House.
What about the criticism that the protests that have happened, the protests that have been happening, don't get as much criticism?
Okay, well, the protests get plenty of criticism. The difference is that you have a business. Let's take, for example, a gathering. Businesses we can regulate because they're licensed. You go in, like a casino could not have what they did at that manufacturing facility because they have a gaming license and they know what the rules are. But you can't control. The casinos are having a real problem. If you're inside the casino, you're going to follow the guidelines. You walk out on the strip after you leave one casino walking to another one, or you walk on Fremont Street. There's really nobody in charge of you when you're out there. We don't have law enforcement handing out tickets.
The president is saying you were behind this effort to make sure his rallies and campaign events did not happen. You said you were not part of that. The next question is, no one from your office, no one from your administration made any phone calls?
No one made any phone calls with these rallies. You know, I read about them in the paper and online just like everybody else did.
Tonight we send our love and our support.
Certainly no love lost between the president and the governor. And you know, Nevada was recently denied federal funding to help keep the Nevada National Guard here. Governor Sisolak is saying the president is inconsistent with how he helps states and the decisions made. Back to you.
And Vanessa, how about Governor Sisolak in terms of the city of Henderson? Does he think they should have possibly done anything else or anything more to prevent the rally from even happening in the first place?
Yeah, Brian, I asked him about that. He did not want to criticize the city of Henderson. He pointed out that Henderson did take action. As we reported, the business will be fined. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Vanessa, for that report.